Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to show how to make a infinity symbol hat. First, we need to make a magic circle. Make a magic circle. Insert the hook under yarns. Bring yarn. Make a chain. Yarn over. Go into a ring. Pull through. Pull through. Yarn over. Make double crochet. Stitch 11 double crochet in this row. We have 12 stitches in first row in total. Slip stitch, one chain, make one double crochet in first stitch from back loop. Yarn over, go into this chain, pull through, yarn over, go into next stitch, one double crochet, yarn over, make one double crochet, two double crochet in each stitch, one, two. We have 24 stitches in second row. Slip stitch, one chain, one double crochet in first stitch, still double crochets in back loop. Go to next stitch, make one double crochet, go to next stitch, make two double crochet, one, two double crochet, go to next stitch, make one double crochet stitch, two, one, double crochet in each stitch. Change colors, slip stitch, make a chain, make one double crochet in first stitch from back loop, go to next stitch, one double crochet, go to next stitch, one double crochet, go into next stitch, two double crochet. In this row, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1 double crochets. A slip stitch, 1 chain, 1 double crochet in first stitch, go into next stitch, 1 double crochet, and repeat 1 double crochet in each stitch. Repeat this row, 1 double crochet in each stitch row for 12 centimeters. Make a chain, yarn over, go into back up of a stitch, pull through, make a double crochet, yarn over, go into back of a stitch and make a double crochet. Make a slip knot. Make infinity symbol by slip stitches.